Apple is introducing new iPhone 16e model and that they will deliver to the local and global markets. Apple iPhone 16e has a mind-blowing features, making it more beneficial for users. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and subscribe my channel for more latest videos. Thanks. So starting from the display, and there will be Super Retina XDR OLED touch screen display with 6.1 inches screen size that can easily handle the resolution of 1179 by 2556 pixels, 457 ppi and 1200 nits peak brightness. iPhone 16e 4.4 GHz hexa-core CPU deliver the peak performance with the addition of the most powerful Apple A18 3nm chipset. Also, you will get 8GB of RAM with 128, 256 and 512GB of internal memory capacity. In terms of cameras, it will be packed with a 48 megapixel single camera sensor, and on the front side there will be a 12 megapixel front facing camera. There will be Face ID and USB-C. It will come in 3 storage versions and prices 8GB of RAM and 128GB for $599. That's all for now and thanks for watching.